Welcome, Mockingbirds. I wanted to do something for Animal Crossing, but I do not have a Nintendo Switch, and I've never played Animal Crossing before, and I tried to look up the story of Animal Crossing, but it didn't have anything. So guess what? We are going to make up the story. So, welcome to Animal Crossing Cold Island. Nook Inc. Deserted Island Getaway Package. Definitely a scam. We are twins. We talk at the same time. I'm Timmy. I'm Tommy. Psst. That's all he can say is I'm Tommy. Just humor him. We need to look up your name in our system. It's Fartface. Are you sure? Fartface will have to do. I gotta make sure that Fartface is in this code. Here you are. Here's Fartface. This is what Fartface looks like. Pineapple, Hawaiian shirt, chump face, triangle nose, a vacant stare, and a creepy smile. And rosy cheeks. Although I'm 40, I'm like a little boy. Yay! You're ready for indoctrination. Let's start talking about your new home. Where do you live? We need the exact address. We won't do anything weird. All of our islands are completely empty, so we can hunt people. Make sure we build communities. Wonderful choice for the spot of your death. Life. If you could bring one thing, what would you bring? Something to kill? Time with? Something to kill your enemies? Time with? Oh, yeah, that was hypothetical. You won't be killing anyone. Nook Island. Tommy, shut up! Wait, why did it turn black? Hello, everyone. You are in a box. No need to panic. You will be at an island very soon. Chopper, 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 chopper. Welcome to Cold Island. We must take you to our leader. No exploring. Follow me. Excuse me. Sorry. Wanna dance? I got droopy eyes. That's how you can tell me different from Tommy. You can see my life in my eyes. I do not love what I do, but I must do it. Welcome to Murder Island. Deserted Island. Island. We are here to support you in safety and in cult brainwashing. Choose your spot. Don't pay attention to that saw in the corner. My voice changes depending on what I feel. Excuse me, you gotta start a commune. Here you go. Whee! Hello, I'm Pashmina. I'm excited. You're a man, I'm a woman. Yes, I'm a ram, but I'm a woman. wasn't doing anything. Don't, zip. Looking to pitch my tent somewhere, if you get my drift. Whee! Woo, 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 woo. Woo! Can I put my gun here? Hello! I just needed to feel my spot. So I rolled around in the grass and I threw a stick. This is my spot. Right next to you. Sure, Pasmina. I guess this is my home forever now. I guess this is my home forever. We'll be neighbors. Kissy, kissy, kissy. Yo, bro, spot me. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Bottom you. Now for the sacrifice. Now for the sacrifice. Let's see. Tommy! Hey, you! You're with me. I'm a close talker. My breath smells like milk. We're gonna have a party. I'm an airplane. This never gets old. Welcome back. We did not do the sacrifice without you. We need orange peels for it. It's so great to be on a desolate island. You know, you're saying desolate island, uninhabited, no one knows we're out here quite often, Tom Nook. Yes, these oranges will do quite nicely for the sacrifice. I mean, party. We're sacrificing Tommy because he's useless. Oh, why are we just holding hands and standing in a circle? Light the fire! Yeah! At last we can sacrifice to the gods, helping develop community. I will take over the world! We shouldn't call this deserted anymore, but just to let you know, no one knows you're out here. Next time, for more Animal Crossing stories.